Okay, so Assalamu alaikum. Today is another day and we learn a very simple design for beginners. So first we'll make a thin line and leaves all over it, small leaves. Okay, and same we'll do on the upside. So like we'll make a bee, like जो पत्तों की बेल होती है वैसे हम एक बेल बना देंगे. एकदम small leaves you have to take. Now, थोड़ा distance छोड़ के make another thin line and make arcs all over it till the end. You can put dots over the arcs like this, small dots. So थोड़ा complete लगेगा वो. Now a thick line just below it. Okay, like this. Then a thin line just below it. And then you can make arcs over it like this till the end. Then make a small spiral and makes like dot and make a circle around it. Then again a semicircle around it. Again one more line to border it. And then arcs over it till the end. Then little big arcs like this, U shape. Then again a semicircle to like border the design. 2 semicircles. Then arcs over it. Then again a small spiral, and you can make like a rose flower like this. Again arcs over it, then again a rose, again a small spiral and arcs like this. You can do till the end. Okay, now fill that U arcs that you have made, that big arcs. Now come down at the fingers and make a semicircle like this. Then border it with a thick semicircle. Again a thin line or a thin semicircle we can say. Then arcs all over it till the end. Okay? Once it's You can now make a kaju over here, a small kaju, and you can border it also with a thick line from both sides. Then you can make some elements over here. Again a small kaju, border it again from both sides and add some elements. Then a small spiral, make arcs all over it. Again a arc line. Then make a big arcs like this or just a circles. Okay, then you can fill the kaju with horizontal lines and some vertical lines, like make a checks. Okay, then you can fill the second kaju with another design, like make small spirals over it, under it. Then you can fill that semicircle they have made with small flowers like this. Then you can make leaves like this in circles. Like you can make a cut work. Then you can fill it. It should look very elegant. Okay. Okay, now here you can make again a semicircle, a small semicircle. Then you can make arcs over it. Okay, so till the end you make the arcs. Then again make a small spiral and arcs all over it. Then you can make small leaves like this. Then make a vertical line like this, joining the patch and the finger design. Then you can make small leaves like this from both the sides. Okay, now we'll make from the other side. Now we'll come towards this side. We can make small leaves also here. Here on the index finger you can make a spiral, a semicircle and arcs over it. Okay, then you can make a borderline over here and make arcs over it. And here slanting lines. You have to make it like check. Okay. Now our design is completed. Mashallah, it's looking very pretty. Okay, it's a minimal design. For the rest of the fingers, we can just make a thin line and arcs and small leaf. And like this you can border. Yes, mashallah, the design is looking good.